What are you doing, Braid?
I'm going to turn his hand up.
You're holding his hand up? Why?
Because he's in the train.
Oh, he hears the train like
Yeah.
you do? Does he like it?
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
'Cause it's a freight train.
Oh, that one's a freight train?
Yeah.
It's not the one that Daddy rides?
No.
Okay. The freight trains are loud, aren't they?
Freight trains are loud.
What do you think of Baby Beau?
Good.
Good?
He's good.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think he's cute?
Yeah. I just
Turn the music on. Okay, careful with his hand, okay?
I heard he likes music.
I think he likes music too, just like his big brother Brady. You like music and you like to dance, right? Yeah, okay, careful with Beau's arm, sweetie, okay? Remember, we have to be so gentle. You're doing a good job.
It's a your foot.
That's his little foot.
But he needs glove.
Yeah, he's got his sleeves covered. That way he can't scratch his face. Okay, careful. What do you think he's thinking about?
I don't know. Did you hear a train?
There's another one, isn't there?
There are two freight trains.
Yeah, 2 freight trains right in a row. How do we count to 2?
1, 2,
Good job.
3.
Good job, buddy. Okay, careful.
You really like me.
He really likes you. I think he loves you. You guys are going to be best buddies for your whole life. Did you know that?
We're going to wrestle together.
You're going to wrestle together? With who?
And Brady Beau.
And who else?
Daddy.
Daddy.
But Owen wants to when he gets home.
Owen wants to wrestle, your buddy Owen.
Yeah, me.
He does like you.
I think it's choking.
He's not choking. He's okay, sweetie. Careful leaning on the seat, Braid, remember? The seat's only big enough to hold a baby. Okay, here, let's not lean on it, okay? It's only big enough for a baby. You're too big because you're a big boy. Okay.
He's really cute.
I know, he's really cute. You're really cute, too.
I heard him too.
Another one.
We hear two things. I heard two things.
It's a good thing you have your hand to your ear so you can hear it better. And Beau, too.
Yeah, Beau too.